What up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Now check it out. I can't even overtalk this. Listen, you guys just seen the thumbnail. You know what I'm making, and you just seen a little flyby going over the top. I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to make. You know what? Just, hey, I don't have no fancy name for it. Hey, we finna make Hush Puppies. With that being said, let's get it. Now take a look down here. Look, these are all of the ingredients, right? I'm gonna list these ingredients down in the description box below so you guys can see them. Look, you got your liquid, butter, which is cold, and then we got our dry ingredients. Again, look down in the description box below for everything, and then over here I'm gonna use my cast iron skillet. I've already filled this with oil. I'm finna put some heat underneath this, and you're gonna need yourself a bowl, folks. Hey, outside of that, like I said in the beginning, I can't over talk it. Super easy. Now let's get it. Okay, so check it out. Got our bowl right here. I got all my ingredients, right? This is really a dump and go. So I'm gonna call the names of them out as I use them, right? So listen, we wanna get them all in here. Oh, and by the way, what you didn't see off camera is I started preheating my oil, right? I put in about 1.5 inches of oil in my cast iron skillet, and we're gonna start bringing it up to temp. This is just how easy this is. Now, okay, now I'm gonna start with cornmeal, flour, salt, sugar, baking powder, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. Now I'm gonna just take my whisk, and we're just gonna whisk it all together. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead, after we done mixed everything right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my buttermilk, and I'm gonna pour this right in here just like this. Okay, so now it's time to add the egg, right? So take my egg, I'm gonna go ahead and crack it, and then we just wanna go ahead, put it in the inside. Okay, and now we just give it all a whisk, right? Then you wanna mix it and make sure you whisk all the ingredients together, and you want it to be just a little bit on the thick side, right? You don't want it to be too watery, you know, too much liquid. So if you follow the directions, it should come out just fine. With this right here, and then listen, another thing too is we don't want to like over mix it, you know? I can look right here, I don't see no dry, so I'm good right here. Okay, so look, my butter, right? This is out of the refrigerator, it's still cold, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cube it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut 4 tablespoons out of here like this. Look, you guys know how to read this, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we just cut it here, just like you see, right? So let's open this up, and then all I'm gonna do is cut some cubes out of it. And there you have it, cubed, just like that. Now, I'm gonna just take these and I'm gonna add them. Okay, so what I did was, as you can see, I got myself my little spatula, and what I'm doing is I'm just working this in, just mixing it up. You just want it to be cold, you know what I mean, in the cube so that it can get in all of it. It eventually, you know, because the butter's becoming room temperature, even being in here, you know, it'll just kind of like melt a little bit, and you'll be able to get all your pieces in there, right? So this is what you see we working with right here. This is okay. I could have cut them in a little bit smaller cubes, you know. I'm just breaking them up, trying not to overwork, you know, my batter, right? Okay, you can look right here, look, 359, we good. 360, this is perfect for this frying of these Hush Puppies. Now, okay, so now what we want to do is just get yourself a spoon. For me, I take something like this. Look, the shape gonna be a little tricky. You know what I mean? We try to get it as best as we can, you know, to a ball. But I get it like this. We come on over here like this. And we drop them in just like you see right there. Right, and then we just repeat the process. Get some more. I like to get them on here. I can see the butter, it's okay. Take it, wipe off anything on the bottom. Bring it over here like this. If you guys got an ice cream scooper, those work the best. Get some more. Now we moving fast. And then we just repeat the process until we get them all inside of here. Now you can see they brown and they cook fast, right? So you just want to flip them over, same way we do when we make a donut, folks. This only takes about a couple of minutes, but you can cook. Now what we're doing is we're cooking it by the color. If you got 360 degrees, you know, of oil temp in here, once you get the desired color that you're looking for, you flip them over and you let them cook. These right here are gonna be perfect. Then what you wanna do is get yourself a paper lined plate. For me, I tell you, I be doing the dishes, so I keep paper plates. I got myself a couple of paper towels on the top. All right, so then you wanna get yourself some type of strainer, something like this. So look, it strains my oil, right? I grab my plate and we just add them just like you see. All right, just like this. Drain and plate. I don't care how they look. You can say what you want to say about them. I'm gonna tell you, these are gonna be fire. Flip that over. Oh yeah, this one right here is ready. Now, let me go ahead and finish the rest of them. You see those right there? Hey, don't underestimate them. And at the end, look, we're gonna talk about what you can do to even level these up even more. Right. Now, I want you guys to take a look at this right here. Look, I didn't wanna bore you. Once you see a couple of them done, you just do them like that. These right here, and I got it, they all different types of shapes, but this is like real, but these are real Hush Puppies. Now, take a look right here. Look, this is my tartar sauce, right? I just did a video called sauces, which I'll leave right on one of these iCards up here. If you look at that, it'll show you how to make this, and I'm gonna link another video where I made one that's really more traditional, but either or, we finna fill these up, we finna open one of these up, taste it, and eat it. Okay, so check it out. Got them here. I just put my tartar sauce, my little ramekin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these. Look, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at them and see what they look like in the inside. Look at this right here. Oh yeah. Look. Tell me what you think. That right there, hey, my mouth is watering. I'm getting ready to go ahead and grill me a little shrimp. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna have Hush Puppies and shrimp. Now look, don't judge me, folks, because I'm finna dip. You see that right there? I know y'all mouths is watering, but I'm finna eat this myself. So, with that being said, hey, cheers. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna change that. Instead of grilling some shrimp, I do have some catfish inside. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just fry some up. Hey, I don't know about y'all, but I want you to let me know down in the comment section below. How do you do yours? Do you dip your Hush Puppies in your tartar sauce or whatever type of sauce you like? Don't forget, I got that Cajun video, that sauce video, right? Hey, that Cajun, I don't want to say nothing. Check out that Cajun dip. I'm gonna stop right here, not even eat the other half because I'll fill up on this bread. Just hold on one second. Hey, these are fire. Now, I'm gonna ask this. You guys start off and make them like this. Now, I'm gonna tell you what I said earlier, how you can level these up. What you can do is you can get yourself some, I guess, yellow onion. For me, I like to use red. I use a yellow onion because it's more traditional into my cooks, you know what I mean? But for me, if I had my choice, I'd always use red onion. I'd take some red onion, and you want to dice them real small, like a fine dice, right? It wouldn't even be bad if you just take a cheese grater and just mince them, so they just nice, juicy, and small. And you can also add green bell peppers. And then what you want to do is you want to mix your ingredients, and you add that last, right? Right before you get ready to put them into your skillet or however you're going to deep fry them. Hey, outside of that, when I tell you, that's gonna be another video, but right here, you let me know what you guys do, because everybody makes Hush Puppies, and if you don't, hey, welcome to the game. Hey, with that being said, listen, so if you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell. That way you can be notified anytime I drop any of these types of fire recipes like this. Now, I'm gonna hurry up, get out of here, because I wanna, stop this camera, push this to the side, and bring this catfish, and we finna deep fry, folks. And with that being said, I'm out. Peace.